2025, every single day, countless people around the world keep searching for the one exercise that can transform their entire body with minimal equipment and minimal time, yet maximum results. And today you are about to discover why daily squats can turn into the most powerful natural body sculpting tool you will ever use, and why this simple movement has the strength to change your legs, your core, your balance, your posture, and even the way you feel about your body and yourself. And once you understand the science behind daily squatting, you may never skip a day again. From the beginning, you need to understand that squats are not just a leg exercise. They are a full body activation movement that targets your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, your lower back, your core muscles, and even your upper body for stability. And every time you go down and come back up, your entire kinetic chain works together as one powerful system. And this is exactly why squats have become one of the most essential exercises in strength training, athletic development, fitness culture, and daily functional movement. Doing squats every day builds an internal system of power and control inside your body, and the first benefit you will notice is strength. Your legs slowly start feeling more capable, more solid, and more stable, because the major muscle groups of the lower body respond extremely fast to repetitive tension, and daily squats create that tension in the perfect dose so your body can adapt, recover, and grow stronger without you needing heavy weights or special gym equipment. Another incredible benefit of daily squats is how they shape your body. From the inside out, your glutes become firmer, your thighs become more defined, and your lower body slowly begins to develop a powerful athletic shape. And this transformation does not depend on your age or fitness level, because the squat is a natural human movement, something every person is designed to do. And when you perform it daily, your body remembers how it is supposed to move, feel, and function. But the true secret behind the effectiveness of daily squats is something deeper than muscle growth. It is hormonal activation. When you perform compound movements like squats, your body releases higher levels of growth promoting hormones, and these hormones support fat burning, muscle building, and overall vitality, increasing your metabolism throughout the day and making you feel more energetic even when you are not actively working out. Another major reason to do squats every day is that they protect your joints, especially your knees and hips. Many people think squats are bad for the knees, but the truth is that properly performed squats strengthen the muscles around the knee joint, improving stability and reducing long-term injury risk. And since daily squats increase the mobility of your hips and ankles, your overall movement becomes smoother and more fluid, helping you perform regular daily tasks much more easily. Squats also create one of the best core workouts without requiring you to do any directive exercises. Every time you squat, your core stabilizes your entire torso, preventing you from falling forward and keeping your balance. This constant engagement of the abdominal and lower back muscles naturally builds a strong midsection, giving you better posture, improved spinal alignment, and that tight, controlled feeling around your waist. Mental strength is another powerful benefit that people underestimate. Daily squatting requires consistency, discipline, and effort, and over time this discipline begins to influence your mindset in other areas of life. You start believing in yourself more because your body proves to you every day that it can keep improving. This connection between physical repetition and mental clarity can be one of the most life-changing parts of the daily squat habit. Your cardiovascular system also gets an unexpected boost from daily squats, because when you perform multiple reps in a row, your heart rate rises and your lungs work harder to supply oxygen to your muscles. This creates a natural conditioning effect, improving your stamina, endurance, and overall fitness level without needing long sessions of running or cycling. Daily squats act like a mini cardio session that strengthens your heart and increases oxygen efficiency throughout your body. Daily squats even affect your balance and coordination, because the movement requires your brain to activate stabilizing muscles that you normally do not use consciously. This improves neuromuscular connection, meaning your brain and body communicate more effectively, allowing you to move more efficiently, react faster, and reduce the risk of falling or losing balance, especially as you age. Another reason daily squats are so effective is that they are scalable. You can make them easier or harder depending on your fitness level. If you are a beginner, you can start with basic air squats, and if you are more advanced, you can increase the intensity with pause squats, jump squats, or slow tempo squats. This gives you endless progression without requiring any extra equipment, and guarantees continuous improvement over time. Now let us talk about fat loss. Many people want to lose fat quickly and safely, and squats are one of the fastest ways to activate more muscles at once and increase calorie burn without exhausting your body like extreme workouts do. Since the lower body contains the largest muscle groups, activating them daily forces your body to use more energy even while resting, which leads to sustainable fat loss, especially around the stomach, hips, and thighs. Daily squats also improve your posture because they strengthen the muscles that keep your spine aligned. People with chronic back pain often notice relief after adding daily squats because the glutes and core provide support to the lower back and reduce the pressure on the spine. And when you stand taller, walk more upright, and move with more confidence, your entire body language changes, making you feel more powerful and in control. Another incredible advantage of daily squatting is flexibility. Your hip flexors, hamstrings, calves, and lower back gradually become more flexible because the squat takes your muscles through a deep range of motion that most modern sedentary lifestyles fail to activate. And with better flexibility, you experience less stiffness, fewer aches, and a far greater range of motion in your daily activities, whether you are lifting something from the ground, sitting, standing, or walking. As your squat form improves, your mind-to-muscle connection also becomes sharper. Because daily repetition helps your body learn the correct movement pattern automatically. This means you develop better technique, balance, depth, and control, which results in better muscle activation and faster progress. And the more efficient your squats become, the faster your body transforms.